close into my dreams. I'm getting high.
Hey guys, it's Tasha Lanice and I am back with another video. This video is featuring Cream of Nature coconut milk line, and it is starring a twist out that I am in love with. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned and keep watching. Lego. So first I start with the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo. The consistency was thick. It glided onto my hair pretty easily. It had good slip to it. I didn't detangle with it because I just don't naturally detangle with shampoos, but I did detangle with my conditioner. I was able to work it through. It had some type of lather to it, which I did enjoy. And I just decided to work that through my hair. Next, I added in the conditioner, which had the same type of consistency to it. And I did detangle with this, and I wanted to show you guys how it detangled with my Tangle Teaser. It just glides through, and you can also finger detangle with it as well. And these both smell like coconut milk to me. Well, coconut, not really sure what coconut milk smells like, but yeah. I'm washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and this video will for sure be a twist out. I will not let anything deter me from doing a twist out.
I haven't even opened these yet, and I can even tell you how long I've had these. But I am going to section this in half because the back meat and the part don't really matter, and I'm a clip type of girl. No, this little chair thing is so much more convenient. So,
I have the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair Curl Repair Leave-In. It says it locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. My hair is not dry or damaged, but it has moisture, so you can use it. This is what it looks like. I did get it at my local beauty supply store for $5.79. It smells like the shampoo and conditioner. Coconut. It's not strong, but it doesn't stink, but it's not like a fruity smell. I think I like fruity smells. This is what it looks like. It is creamy. It's like a cream. I guess because it's like milk. Milks are like creams, right? But I need water first. So I am going to, this is a whole section. I am tripping. I'm going to take a little part, clip this daddy up. Got my 360 boy. I just like to make sure my hair is wet, so don't mind me. I'm not gonna get the teardrop, I promise. So I'm going to take some more. It does melt into my hair. I think it's just the back of my hair, y'all. I mean, that they filled this to capacity. Look at this compared to, can y'all see? feel this, but I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. This is the Hydrating Curling Cream, and it is I'm trying to find the ounces, y'all. I wish Cantu put their names on the top. It is 11.5 fluid ounces, and this was also $5. So that's a good price for this amount. She'll last you a long time. Yeah, this is definitely creamy. It's slipping and sliding. It glides on easily though. I don't think I'm going to do a gel. I don't think I'm gonna do a gel. So I decided to use the Align Extreme. Adding it on the top, just a little. Y'all know the consistency of this. I got about a medium. It would turn out for a bomb washing though, but y'all, I promise I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. So, I'm not an expert at twisting. I just twist my hair, so don't look to me for a tutorial. There are real ones out there. Just gonna show you guys how I do it. And I haven't done a twist out on my hair since I got my devacut. So this is gonna be fun. I have done a braid out. I don't think I liked it. I don't know if I didn't like the products. I don't know if I was in a rush. But I didn't film it. Was I a YouTuber then? Kinda. I kinda was a YouTuber. So I get to, most people comb it out, but mine don't be detangled, so I don't need to comb it out. But I do twirl the ends to coil them. And this is how my twists look. Pretty juicy. I'm just gonna continue to do that all over my head, and I'll show you when it's done. So you guys, this is how my twist came out. After that first one, I realized I put on way too much product, so less is more. I'm gonna take these out tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Now, when I decided to add the gel, I asked my little sister, should I add a gel? Because she's also natural. She currently has braids in, and here she is. Her name is Asia. Hey. We look so much alike, even though she's adopted.
Yeah, I'm adopted.
She's not adopted, but she's Asia. We're 10 years and 6 days apart.
You wanted me too. She wanted me so bad.
That's another story. So, I'll show you guys the results tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and as you see, I got my bonnet on. Pretty stylish with okay, anyway. So, I had a pen because I was kind of going places and I was throwing on a hat, so I needed it out my face. But this is what my twists look like. Still look juicy. So I'm just gonna take them down. This is Cantu oil in here, but my Cantu bottle had like a hole in it or something, so I just put it in this random, I don't even know what this bottle was, honestly, but yeah. So I'm just going to put some oil on my hands. Thank God this smells good. And the reason I put oil on my hands is to eliminate frizz when I'm taking these down. put this in a ponytail so it can stay on my way. And I'm just going to unravel them where they naturally unravel. So I really don't even have to manipulate it like that. Okay, all right. It's just gonna leave me, clearly. Clearly, it's just gonna leave. This one just can't stay out the way. Okay. This one was juicy. I want this out of my way. Nope. So there's a YouTuber on here by the name of Hazel Goddess that I started watching, and she has this, get it together, Shea. She has this separating method that I am trying to perfect. I'm kind of scared to do it. Like, she's really good at it. Like, she takes a little piece and then like twirls it, and then she takes another piece. I'm just gonna separate a little because I don't really want frizz. And this one clearly wants to be down. Like, it's itching. So I'm just going to finish unraveling these because I have some place to go. And I'll show you guys the finished. Yo, baby, this is it. That right there is it. Go ahead and throw this down a little bit. I have minor frizz, but I was doing a little separating. I don't even want to pick it out because I just want it to get bigger on its own. Let me do a little 360. Yes, honey. I'm feeling it. Gotta find somewhere to go because I'm kind of cute. So, overall, these products get a 10 for me because I don't know another reason why they wouldn't. They work well. My hair feels moisturized, it's voluminous. Like, you can see the juiciness of it. Like, oh my God. These are, I do believe the shampoo has sulfate in it. So if you don't like shampoos with sulfate, then I would still recommend this because you do need a shampoo to cleanse your scalp. And there are other ways that you can technically cleanse your scalp, like the apple cider vinegar rinse. And I'm definitely planning on doing that soon. But if you don't want to do that all the time and you do want a shampoo, I would recommend having at least 1 or 2 different shampoos that have sulfate in it. This would definitely be one of them, and Aussie Moist, because Aussie Moist definitely has sulfate in it. The conditioner, I would definitely, I don't even know what product is my favorite. Like, oh my God, like, it says the curl repair leave-in. Sorry, I'm getting the hair off. Locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. And of course, I didn't have damaged hair, but our hair all gets dry after we then left in a hairstyle for about a week, which I usually do. So it definitely locked in the moisture because I had these twists in. I did these twists at like 6. I started washing my hair like 6 a.m. and I was done by 9:40. That's with washing, conditioning, deep conditioning for an hour, all of that. So my hair has been in twist for 24 hours or more. I literally just took them down. It does lock in moisture. The ingredients have water, shea butter. This is a different type of good. It says, oh, let me see. So the curl leave-in and the curling cream have no sulfate, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. Sorry, y'all. But the curling cream is moisture, shine for soft, defined curls. My curls are definitely defined, and my hair is definitely soft. So it's not lying on that. I need to. Yeah, this doesn't say it. I got these products for, I'm pretty sure I told you. I don't know if I told y'all. So if I didn't tell y'all, I got these products for, this was $5. I really wish I had my, oh, they're on the thing. The shampoo and the conditioner were $5 each. So that was $10. My Cream of Nature coconut milk was $5.99. The hydrating curling cream and the leave-in was $5.79. That's a random price to give it. So overall, they're affordable. They're about $5-6 each. So they're very affordable, and I would definitely recommend these products to you guys. Like, I want to see it with a wash and go, not like, oh my God, the videos are going to be endless. So they get a 10. Now for this hoodie. This hoodie is the Urban Cafe, and as you know, I like hoodies, and I'm usually rocking my friends' brands. This is one of my friends. His name is Anthony, and him and his partners, Nate and Kaylin, have a business at the Urban Cafe. If you live in the Flint, Michigan area, or if you are visiting and you need somewhere to throw a private public event, then you can just contact the Urban Cafe and schedule your private event. Prices are reasonable. I will leave their information down below in the description box, their Instagram, their Facebook, and things of that nature of how to get a hold of them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos will be out every Friday, possibly Mondays as well for Masque Monday. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.